Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel Islamic Kids Art. You tell us what we're gonna draw today.
We're gonna draw today a clock.
Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave a comment on what you think or what you want us to draw next, inshallah. Okay, so we're gonna start. Bismillah. Okay, so we're gonna draw the big circle in one shot. You just have to commit.
Wait.
It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine is not perfect. So now we're gonna trace around that one a little bit bigger. Slowly. There's no rush. Maybe I should went slower the first time. And connect. Nice. Perfect. We're going to put the numbers in right now. So we're going to start with the 12. We're going to start it a little bit off to the side. So we're going to do it like right here. And put a dot. Just make a dot. Okay. And then we're going to put 12. 1 and a 2. Let me see. Perfect. And then if you go down, imaginary line down, we're going to do another dot down here, right under it.
Look it over here.
Yeah, that's fine. Make it like a little circle, make it more of a circle shape. Okay, let me see. Okay, perfect. All right, and then for that one, we're gonna put 6 because the 6 goes right under the 12, like that. Let me see, nice. Okay, and then now we're gonna do on the side, we're gonna do 3. So we're gonna add another dot. You could do any shape, dot, a line, a triangle. Okay, and then we're gonna put number 3. Let me see. Perfect.
I did it like this way.
That's okay, that's fine. All right, and then now we're gonna go across this way, and we'll put another dot. And that'll be the 9.
I did like that.
That looks good. It's okay.
It's facing that way.
Alright, so now we're gonna put a dot in the middle. A little bit bigger maybe. Let's do 3 o'clock. So we're gonna do a smaller line here. And then an arrow at the end. Nice. And we'll do a little bit of a longer one pointing up, almost touching the 12. And that's 3 o'clock, because that is the hour hand. And that's the minute hand. Okay, you guys can do different. You can do 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or any time you want. And you guys can fill in the times if you want, but we're gonna just leave it like this for today. And then we're at the bell. One line, another line, and then we're gonna just do like a rectangle. Connect it. Looks like a T. Okay.
Yeah, so I did over
Looks
here.
like a T. Alright, so now we're gonna do the legs. So we're gonna do in between the 9 and the 6, we're gonna add like a little leg, a little curve. Kind of like a teardrop. And then in between the 3 and the 6, we're gonna do the same thing. Like a teardrop a little bit, they're kind of round. Okay, and then now we're gonna do the bells on the top. We're gonna start with the right one. So we're gonna do around maybe in between the 12 and the 3. So we're gonna add a line here, like this. 2 lines. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a big line across, like this. Let me see. Okay, connect it. Yeah. And then we're gonna do a big arch across a half circle, and we're gonna go up. Okay, so now draw your arch. Okay, now we're gonna do the same on the other side. So we're gonna do around near the 12, we're gonna do another line. 1, 2 lines. And then we're gonna draw a line across again for the bell. Try to make it maybe the same size like the other one. And then we're gonna do a half circle again. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a little bump on the top right here in the middle, and same with the other one over here like that. And then we're gonna do a curve line up like this. This is the handle, and then we're gonna do another curve line from here like this. And connect it to the other side. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then connect it, yep. Perfect. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So we're gonna color it and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back guys. So we just finished drawing our clocks. You have this very cool clock right here. And then we have my clock. I did a blue clock and you did a nice rainbow clock. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
What colors you pick?
Brown, black, purple, brown, green, black, red.
Beautiful. Looks great. And we added some extra lines on the edges, as you can see. That's when the bell rings, what does it do? How's a bell sound?
Like,
We also have to pay attention to the time. Do you know why?
for prayer.
Yes, for prayer. How many times a day do we pray?
5 times a day.
5 times a day. So we have to pay attention to the time.
Other people don't pay. Pay attention, right?
Yeah, pay attention to the time so you know when it's prayer time. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you press the like button, hit the bell to be notified when our next videos come up. We're trying to upload more for you guys. Also, we have more than 200 subscribers. Let's work together and share the video, share the channel, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum
Bye.
assalam.